What's up guys? And good to know Friday tayo ngayon kasi na-miss nyo na yung good to know Friday natin, di ba? Kasi kanina guys, pantoy siya ng mga available natin na pang-workout clothes. Tapos may mga related sa akin, mga con and all that. Pero I chose this one. So it's a Lululemon. So nakikita nyo, may V dyan, di ba? So yun yung good to know Friday natin, yung triangle dyan or yung V dyan. That's normally found sa mga sweater and hoodies. Pero at this time, meron siya dun sa shirt. But I'll talk about ano yung purpose at bakit meron triangle dyan guys. Hindi lang naman yung pang-forma lang. Sa itong good to know Friday na ito dedicated sa videographer natin si D. Ayan si D, ba't yung D dito, di ba? So guys, here's an example of a sweater na merong V. So dual purpose yan guys. Before I talk about ano yung purpose niya, I'll have to talk about when this was first invented. Kasi before, yung mga sweaters and hoodies, they have the similar neckline or collar like a regular shirt or regular hoodie. The time na merong nagpalit or nag-invent na magkaroon ng V, it's actually very creative and purpose din. The exact 1926 when it was first introduced for many football players guys. Kasi yung mga football players naka-football jersey yan na usually mga sweatshirts and all that. So they were having several problems kasi kapag nag-football ka, syempre papawisan ka, babaho ka, diba? So they designed the V intentionally to be here kasi this is the part of your body that produces and has the most concentrated sweat. It creates a way for it para ma-absorb lahat, most of your sweat when you're doing workouts or any physical activity. Dito siya, instead of it just going around your entire upper, entire sweater, yun yung unang purpose niya. Second is, dahil football nga yung pinag-usapan natin, and also, not just football but also for functionality purposes guys, ito yung malapit dyan. Yung V na yan is aesthetically designed to make the shirts or the sweater more stretchable dun sa collar part. Kasi syempre kung naka-football sila, diba, when they're wearing their football jersey, mas madaling isuot kasi malaki yung helmet, so ni-stretch yung collar. So to avoid it becoming bacon, just like yung mga Britney Chan, para hindi mag-bacon yung collar, so they designed na magkaroon ng V kasi it has better stretchability. And that's why I'm gonna talk about na some other brands, like Lululemon, ito kasi legit na ano to guys, functional na triangle V. Kasi meron kasi mga fake, when I say fake, meaning it's just there for aesthetic purposes, pero hindi niya nagagawa yung function talaga. And you'll be able to tell that based from, number one, yung tela niya from the main shirt is different from the V. So ayan, pansin mo, di ba? So this is a functional V. At bukod doon, it stretches din. So ayan. So there are some clothes and there are some brands na naglalagay ng V sa mga sweaters nila just for aesthetic purposes. Unlike the real brands, does it impact kung kailangan stretchable or nag-absorb ng sweat? If you're wearing it casually, then maybe no. Pero if you're planning to do some physical activity or you're going for the brands like Lululemon, at tulad ko ang purpose ko is mag-workout kasi 2026 na, kailangan natin mas maging healthy. I'm looking for the one that has the V with the right function on it. So yun lang guys. Ngayon alam niyo na kung bakit merong V. V! Ayan ha. Bye-bye! Okay guys, so kailangan natin ng drip check na daw kahit good to know Friday kasi may mga nagtatanong na bakit walang drip check yung other videos. So mabilisan lang guys, for the cap, wearing MLB. For the top, I'm wearing Ami. So this is a knitted shirt logo. So this is available for pre-order. Depending on the size, around 15 to 18,000 pesos. For the pants, we're wearing Muji. For the shoes, we're wearing Foot Industry. So ayan, available to for 15,000 pre-order dito sa Prism. Then for the watch, on my wrist, I have the Rolex Oyster Flex. Close ko, dalimutan ko na. And sige, bye-bye!